If HardOps is present, pressing Ctrl-K will display preferences, similar to as I'm showing, where we can basically toggle between the preferences of HardOps and Boxcutter at the same time and configure them as needed when it comes to adjusting them via their preferences. Clicking off will simply remove that preferences window, but if you're using HardOps, pressing Ctrl-K will actually show the preferences windows on the fly, which actually shows the Boxcutter preferences able to be toggled between, and you're able to jump in and customize both HardOps and Boxcutter just basically on the fly. Also, if Boxcutter and HardOps are both installed at the same time, Knife will have an option for hops mark, which means that the option specified in Control-tilde for your marking that's typically used whenever you run sharpen, which will mark sharp edges, will also take place for Knife. So basically we'll draw a 3D box, and if we tab into edit mode, we see that our box has been marked on all boundaries because of the mark options. Another thing I want to demonstrate is if we take all of these cubes and we use HardOps to basically press Alt-M and we control-click blank material to give them all a blank material. One of the benefits of having both HardOps and Boxcutter installed is the ability to perform material cut. So during our cut, we can press M in order to cycle through the various materials. We could also go back into the helper to remove the material, as well as specify what material we would like to cut with. So now every cut that we do will take place using that particular material. However, that one's actually the same material as before, but now you can see material cut in action.